Hi everyone, Slangel here from Slangel Designs, and I just want to show you, I know I have mentioned before that we're going to be working on, I'm going to post a crochet along, and this is what I have come to decide upon that we will work on together if you're interested. This is the Alphabet ABC blanket. As you can see, it works up to be, it's just a bit bigger than a crib size, and this was done using worsted weight yarn. I do recommend, if you do decide to work on this, that you use a solid color and not a variegated yarn, just because it turns out much nicer in my opinion. So if you're interested in doing the crochet along with us, I will post the link to the pattern, and I've also included a tracker and the letter charts, which are fairly simple to follow. This is using basically some single crochet and a popcorn stitch. So nothing too drastic. It does take a fair bit of yarn. So I believe this, I bought the 1 pound, the Pound of Love yarn from Michael's, and I think I used almost two full skeins of it. So almost 2 pounds of yarn, or almost 32 ounces. So, and again, that'll also depend. There's no gauge check on this because if you're a little looser, a little tighter, it'll just adjust it slightly in size, but the end project will still look as good. All right, so I will put the links to everything you need in the description. And if you're interested in working along with us, I'll be working so many rows in each video. And yeah, that will be our first ever crochet along. So take care, happy crocheting. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.